Hello students, today's topic is kinds of sentences. In last video we have discussed what is a sentence. There are four kinds of sentences. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. First one, assertive sentence is also known as declarative sentence. A sentence that it states or declares something is called assertive sentence. It means class the sentence which gives us information is known as the assertive sentence. Example, she writes extremely well. I like mangoes. An assertive sentence can be affirmative or negative. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence makes a positive statement. And negative sentence makes a negative statement. Example, Ria is a hard-working girl. It's a positive sentence. Ria is not a hard-working girl. It's a negative sentence. Means positive sentences or affirmative sentences are those sentences in which we do not use the negative word. Like here, Ria is a hard-working girl. And the negative sentence are those sentences in which we use the negative words like not. Okay. Assertive sentences end with a full stop. Remember class, assertive sentences always end with a full stop. That's why I have put a full stop at the end of a sentence. Structure of the affirmative sentence. Firstly, we write subject, then helping verb, main verb and object. In last video, we have discussed the structure of the sentence. Then we know that firstly we write the subject, then verb, then object. Like Mansi is the subject, will is the helping verb and call is the main verb and Rahul is the object. Mansi will call Rahul. Negative sentence. In negative sentence, we firstly write the subject, helping verb, then not, then main verb, then object. Remember class, in negative sentence, we always write not after the helping verb. Okay, like Mansi will not call Rahul. After helping verb, we have written not. This is known as the negative sentence. Now second one, interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question or makes an inquiry is called an interrogative sentence. Means class, the sentence which asks a question is known as the interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. This is the question mark. Interrogative sentences can be of two types, close-ended and open-ended. What is the close-ended? The question sentence in which we give the answer by yes or no. In that type of sentences, in that of a question sentences, we firstly write the helping verb, then subject, then main verb, then object. Like have helping verb, use subject, seen main verb and this place object. Have you seen this place? Then what you will give the answer? Yes. Then this is known as the close-ended, in which firstly we use the helping verb. Second is the open-ended, in which we give the full answer. Firstly we will write the question word, then helping verb, subject, main verb and object. We will follow the same pattern which we have followed here. But before the helping verb, we will write the question word. There is only one difference. Okay. Then firstly we write the question word. Do you know the question word like why, what, where, how, who? All these words are known as the question word. Why are you talking? This type of sentences are known as the open-ended. In these two ways we form the interrogative sentences. Next one is imperative sentence. These sentences express a command, make a request, or give advice. These sentences end with a full stop. Then this type of sentences express command, request, or advice. The structure of this type of sentences: firstly we will write the verb, first form of the verb, and then object. If you want to make this type of sentence negative, then first we will write do not, first form of the verb and object. Example: shut the door. Which type of sentence? Command. In this sentence we are getting the command, shut the door. Do me a favor please. Here is a please word, then it means it's a request. Do not waste food. It's giving us advice. Do not waste food. Okay. Let's see that it's a negative sentence. Then we have used do not. Do not waste food. Remember class, an imperative sentence has you as a subject, but it is understood. In imperative sentence there's not use the subject, like shut the door, do me a favor, do not waste food. Shut the door, do not waste the food. He has not used the subject. But what is understood? You. In imperative sentence, you is used as a subject. It's understood. Okay. Next one is exclamatory sentences. These sentences express a strong or sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, wonder, or regret. Means by this sentence we express our sudden feeling. It may be of joy, it may be of sorrow, wonder, or regret. These type of sentences end with a sign of exclamation. This sign is known as the exclamation mark. Example: what a beautiful dress, how kind you are. This type of sentences are known as the exclamatory sentence. Okay class, I hope you all have understood. Thank you.